Now guys, we are going to make our chicken samosa lumpia. Chicken samosa lumpia, and we have here our chicken, our garbanzos, and our chicken. And of course, our spices. We have our cumin, chili flakes, turmeric, ground pepper. Okay. Of course, let's not forget, we need our parsley. Okay. So ngayon, ay buksan muna natin ang ating garbanzo. Tapos i-drain natin ito, okay? Hindi natin kailangan yung tubig. Drain it. So now we have our drained garbanzo. Shucks. Okay. Ayan, so nahugasan na natin ang ating chicken. Ngayon, ang ating wrap, gagamitin na natin itong buo. Pero mamaya na yan. Okay. Now for our spices, we will use our salt, our magic sarap, kalahati lang ng sachet, okay? Now, we will need to add our cumin. Yan. Now, we will need our turmeric. Oh. Now, we will need our pepper. Salt, magic syrup, cumin, pepper, turmeric. We also need our, paprika. Oh, bongga, sarap. And our chili powder. Kailangan ganyan, no? May chili powder. Oh. Pero parang gusto ko pang dagdagan ng onting ground cumin. Yan. Oh my God, naubos na yung cumin ko. Yan. So now with our food processor, we'll now to add our chickpeas. Okay. Pero, I love the chicken. And then we will add our parsley. So we need that. So that our parsley will add freshness to our dish. Okay, add more. Sarap yan. Okay, so now let's go. Sirain na natin ang ating food processor. Now we mix our spices. Later na pala. Ngayon na pala. Okay, mix our spices all together. And mix it. Yay! That's it. They're all together. One big. Syempre, of course, we need to mix this all too well together with our ingredients. You have to make sure the flavor is mixed together. Ito garbanzo. Diba? Yan na ang ating lumpia. So ngayon ay gagawa na tayo ng ating lumpia wrap. So, na-mix na natin yung mga flavors eh. Lumpia wrap na ang gagawin natin. Okay. So, that's lumpia wrap. So remember this lumpia wrap. Remember this lumpia wrap is going to be Ayan. So, here's our mixture. Kuha na tayo ang ating mixture dyan. Huwag po kayo mag-alala because this is going to be so good. Okay. And so perfect. Ito yung simple lumpia. Ayan. Diba? Ang perfect. So, yan. Yan ang ating product. Let's taste it. Bye-bye!